Welcome back to the channel. So today let's talk about UOB EVOL card and why this should be your first credit card that you should be using as a beginner in Singapore if you have not held a credit card before and you want to get started with it. The first reason is because that there is no annual fee involved in this. So with the UOB EVOL card, all you need to do is to make 3 transactions per month for the 12 months and your annual fee will be waived. So with this being your main card, 3 transactions is not very difficult to hit. You can even do the transactions like paying for your MRT rides or your bus rides and just 3 per month for 12 months and your annual fee will be waived. So the second reason why the UOB EVOL card should be your first credit card is because it is good for low spenders. Every single month, all you need to do is to just hit $600 and you'll be entitled to the percentage cashback that they offer you. So the UOB EVOL card is very good for people who spend about $600. As long as you hit the $600, you will get a 6.67% cashback on your spending. Which leads to my third reason that the 6.67% cashback on your spending on this card is probably one of the highest that you can get out there. The way they market this product, they said that you will get an 8% cashback. Essentially, when you break it down in numbers, you are getting 6.67% cashback. So let's break down this 6.67% cashback, and after that I'll compare it with other credit cards that also are good for cashback. With the UOB EVOL physical card, you actually don't need this. What they would want you to do is to actually add it to your Apple Pay, Google Pay, Fitbit Pay, or even Samsung Pay. This is how it will look like on the phone. So with this, I can use it to tap for like my MRT rides or my bus rides and any contactless payment. So that is one of the category that you must hit. With contactless payment, all you have to do is to spend $250 to maximize the $20 cashback that you were to receive in the first category. And with that, the next category that you want to hit is online spending. So online spending can be anything such as like subscriptions, your Netflix subscription, Spotify, or even your mobile payments. Like for me, I'm using Giga as my mobile phone provider. So every single month I'm paying $18 for my mobile plan, and with using the UOB EVOL card, that would consider as online payment. And if you're buying anything on Shopee, Lazada, Q10, you can also use the UOB EVOL card and that would qualify as online payments. And with this category, you also would want to hit a $250 amount. And with the $250, you will get $20 cashback. And when you hit the online payment and also the PayWave category, you will essentially spend about $500 to maximize the both category cashback of $20 each. And to hit the $600, all you need to do is spend $100 on anything and you will qualify for $40 cashback per month using the UOB EVOL card. And when you use the $40 and you divide it by the $600 spending, you are essentially getting 6.67%. If you want to hit the $20 cashback on the other category where you are essentially only getting 0.3%, you would need to spend $6,666.67. So essentially, when you really calculate all in all, it is not worth it to hit the other category in order to get the maximum cashback of $20 in that category. But what you want to do is to just hit the 2 categories of Visa contactless payment and online spending. Any other spending that you would have exceeding the $600 on this card, you should use other credit cards out there or your normal debit card. You don't want to overspend on this because it's not worth it. And if you want to find out on how I actually use this card to maximize the cashback that I receive every single month, you can refer to the video that I've done on how to maximize cashback. I will link it up above or down below. Yep. And now we want to compare to the other credit cards. So 2 other credit cards that offer similar cashback would be the OCBC Frank and also the DBS Live Fresh. Firstly, let's go into DBS Live Fresh. For the DBS Live Fresh card, you would also need to spend $600 every single month. And the cashback advertised is 5 to 10%, 5% of your spending on online or even contactless payments. And in order to get the 10% cashback, it is categorized under sustainable spending. I'll give you the link to their FAQs so that you know what kind of items you would spend on that will qualify you for the 10% cashback. It is basically things like a Blue SG car rental that you would spend on. Those are considered sustainable spending. For each category, the DBS Live Fresh card also caps it at $20 and 10% on sustainable spending is capped at $15 and all other spending is 0.3%, similar to the UOB EVOL card. But the DBS Live Fresh does not compare to the UOB EVOL card, because if you were to calculate how much you need to spend in the two categories, you would need to spend $400 in order to get the $20 cashback. Because DBS only offers you 5% compared to the UOB EVOL card where it gives you 8% on your transactions. So ultimately, the DBS Live Fresh will make you spend more, but if you are a person who will be able to spend $1,200, you can complement these two cards and get $80 cashback if you hit both categories. Next up, we'll compare the OCBC Frank credit card. OCBC Frank credit card gives you 6% cashback. It is also a minimum spend of $600. But for the OCBC Frank, the two categories actually gives you a higher cashback cap of $25. In the others category, it is also a 0.3%. So in this illustration here that I got from the website itself, they actually tell you 6% a month on any online spending and also mobile payments, and 0.3% on others, and you will get up to $75. Remember, every single cashback card will tell you that you can earn up to a certain amount, but that is not what it actually means. In the others category of 0.3%, you will essentially have to spend a lot more to maximize the $25 in that category. But what you want to do is to just spend to hit the first two categories and then move on to another card. So these are the three reasons why I feel you should use the UOB EVOL credit card if you're a first time new to credit card user, or if you're even a seasoned user of credit cards. You can even use the UOB EVOL and complement other cards that you have in your wallet. The $600 minimum spend per month is easily attainable for many of us with our online spending and also our fixed payments to like mobile providers, our subscriptions, etc. A really good card to maximize your cashback. And as I mentioned, if you want to know how I maximize my cashback every single month with my minimal spending, refer to the video up above and down below. Right now, many of you know that I'm embarking on this aggressive savings journey. I'm saving $1,500 single month and I try to keep my spending to a $400. I don't really use the UOB EVOL card right now, but I'm using the UOB Absolute Amex card. I'll do a subsequent video on that. If you're interested, stay tuned for that. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other cards you want me to see me try out and do a review on. Another thing to note is that the UOB EVOL card is actually running a promotion. If you are new to bank customer, you can get an Apple AirPods Pro. I'll link it here somewhere. So all in all, these are my three reasons why you should use the UOB EVOL card as your first credit card. Because there's no annual fees, it is good for low spenders, and you are getting 6.67% cash back, which is better than any other cards out there. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.